Hello guys, welcome to my Adventech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to deactivate your PhonePe wallet and withdraw money. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to deactivate your PhonePe wallet and withdraw your PhonePe wallet money, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you just need to open your PhonePe. In this, you can see here PhonePe wallet. Just click on this. In this, you can see here my current balance is 8000, means my PhonePe wallet balance is 8000. After that, you can see here question mark in the right top side corner. Just you need to click on that question mark. Here you can see some of the options. The last option is reactivating or closing PhonePe wallet. Just click on this option. And in this you can see three options. The last option is how do I close my PhonePe wallet. You need to select that option. Before going to last option to close the PhonePe wallet, you have to read some notes carefully. You can see here important. You will not be able to reactivate your PhonePe wallet once you close it. Means you will not be able to reactivate your PhonePe account again in lifetime. To close your PhonePe wallet, just tap the close wallet button at the bottom of the screen. Select the reason for closing the wallet. Tap to confirm and deactivate wallet. Tap deactivate wallet. And what about the PhonePe wallet amount? If your wallet closure is successful, it might take up to 3 to 5 days for UPI and 7 to 9 days for credit or debit card. Means it takes 3 to 5 days if you are transferred money from UPI to PhonePe wallet, and it takes 7 to 9 days if you have transferred money from debit or credit card to PhonePe wallet. First, it will directly transfer the money from which you have paid to the PhonePe wallet. If sometimes it fails, then it will be transferred to your primary linked PhonePe account. The amount will be transferred to your PhonePe linked account. So after reading this carefully, just tap on close wallet. Select the reason. The first option is change of mobile number, withdraw wallet balance, unhappy with service, and last option is other. So you need to select withdraw wallet balance. If you are closing for withdrawal of the wallet amount, just tap on confirm and deactivate. You can see it will ask again, you will not be able to reopen your wallet. After reading this, just tap on deactivate wallet. You can see here it is asking once again, you will not be able to reopen your wallet. Are you sure you want to deactivate? Just tap on yes. You can see wallet deactivated. That's it guys. So in this way you can deactivate your PhonePe wallet and withdraw your PhonePe wallet amount. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.